Hey Thomas, this is Dave with Arlington Toyota. Unfortunately, the vehicle you inquired about is no longer here, so I figured I'd come out and shoot a quick video for you of the trucks that we do have here to see if you would possibly be interested in any of these. I'll go ahead and walk up and down the line for you so you can get a good look at them. We have a wide range from Ford to Chevy, Dodge, and of course Toyota Tundra. Again, this is Dave with Arlington Toyota. Please give me a call at 904-721-3000 and we can schedule a time for a test drive. Thank you.